In regards to Hurricane Sandy, was material coming from the shore to be dumped?
Yes, of course. It was the demolition material. Well, it's screenings coming from licensed recycling centers, licensed by the DEP. That's the only ones I accept for. And it says in my closure plan, I'm not supposed to. I don't have to do analyticals or anything on the screenings because they're coming from licensed DEP recycling centers. They're supposed to be doing it at the recycling center.
Now, the smell, the residents started to complain in November of last year, right after Hurricane Sandy.
Yeah.
Is this a coincidence? Have you dealt with that kind of material in the past?
Well, we've taken screenings for a year. It never smelled. That's why when the DEP came up, Gina Conti, basically, because she was our inspector, she came up, and she couldn't figure out what was going on because this stuff had been going on the landfill for almost a year, and it never smelled. Then as time went on, because in the beginning there were a lot of people investigating. People thought Morris County Soil Conservation investigated. They thought it was a sewage treatment plant. Nobody could figure out what this, because it didn't smell on the landfill. It smelled 2 miles down the road by Walmart. Some kind of inversion effect or something. I wouldn't even explain it. But everybody was trying to figure out what it was. In Hurricane Sandy, it's happened, so maybe we got a damaged sewage treatment plant. Maybe we have propane tanks came into play because of the rotten eggs. And they put this smell in the propane, I found out. Because propane doesn't smell, but they put this rotten egg sulfur into it. So if you have a propane leak, you know it. There's a new one on me.
Right, but
and we finally zeroed in it was coming from the landfill. So we started putting more fill on it. The judge came and they went to court, tried to shut me down 3 or 4 times. The judge came out, Judge Wilson, Superior Court judge. She walked the site for 6 hours. She commented, I only smell it briefly when the wind blows and I'm standing right next to it. She said, so I don't know. She walked, it's peak. She's quite energetic. She walked everywhere for 6 hours. And she said, it comes, it doesn't. And then she commented, because everybody was there. Town was there, the lawyers were there, the DAG's there, the DEP's there, 30 guys there. And at the end, she commented that, I think the reason you don't have smell problems around other landfills is because nobody approved houses right next to it. She was into the Poets Peak thing. Why did you build houses right on a landfill? 300 feet away. It made no sense.
But your process of getting rid of the smell was to dump the soil, which the DEP
Which the DEP told us to do.
Okay.
We dumped the soil, we dumped soil, and it was working. One of the problems was that the slopes. Have you ever seen the slopes?
Yes.
Okay, the slopes are there because I need a land use permit from the DEP to go into phase 2, which is just outside the slopes. In order to slope it out to 3 to 1 rather than 1 to 1 it's at, I had to get a land use permit. They won't give me one because we're in a fight. And they have told me, in court and otherwise, you are not getting any more permits, period, until you give up. So what am I going to do? So the slopes are like this. I'm dumping, the dirt's coming down, it falls off the sides. So it's not handling the slopes very well. It doesn't smell on the top. It smells on the slopes. You see where they're putting the dirt right now? It's coming out of the sides because of the compression.
Okay.
It's, obviously it's not going to come out the top, it pushes out the side. If you push on something, the air goes this way.
And so you believe that you followed all the steps that DEP.
So what I did the last 3 weeks, which my engineer testified in court, because I told him, go ahead, tell the truth. And he said, we started really handling the smells well the last 3 weeks, and we got it down to 0-0, because Mr. Bernardi said to me, the hell with it and violate the permits. Just slope it out. Go out 3 to 1, go into the land use area, so be it, let it go. I got it. Go to 3 to 1 like this.
Okay, so
if you have a 1 to 1 that you saw and you put dirt on it, it falls off. If you have a 3 to 1, it stays on it. And then you get 2 or 3 feet of dirt on top of it and it doesn't smell anymore.
So you believe that process
it worked.
Would add up to capping the landfill?
Yes.
And
then after we got through with that, we put dredge on it. Then you got 4 feet of dredge on the top.
Okay.
And dredge is mixed with cement. That's how they cap most landfills. It's mixed with Portland cement, and after you put it on there 2 or 3 days down the road, it hardens up and it's almost impervious.